Talk 37, all accidents must be investigated. We are proud of our accident record. Management wants to keep it and make it even better. And we know you want the same. That is why today's talk is about accident investigation. When an accident happens, with or without injury, management wants to know, why did it happen? The only way to know is through a full investigation. We must look at the circumstances. We must understand the causes. That is how we prevent it from happening again. It is almost certain that management will ask, what caused the accident? None of us wants to answer. It was just carelessness. When an accident happens, we need the facts. We need to explain it. And we need to prevent it from happening again. That is why we investigate all accidents. But let me be clear. An investigation is not about blame. The word blame has no place here. The word carelessness does not belong either. Accident investigation is not about pointing fingers. It is about finding causes and preventing similar situations in the future. The progress we see today in construction safety is the result of years of accident investigation. Many of the safety rules we follow came directly from lessons learned in those investigations. Because of that, workers today can perform their jobs with more protection than ever before. In every investigation, we search for hazardous conditions and unsafe practices. We do this by studying every injury at work, analyzing every accident without injury, identifying the causes behind the accident, and recommending corrective actions to prevent it from happening again. At first, investigations focused only on physical hazards. But soon, we learned the truth. Unsafe actions also cause accidents. So investigations expanded to include both conditions and actions. Some people argue about which causes more accidents: unsafe conditions or unsafe actions. But records show the truth. Most accidents come from both a mix of conditions and unsafe acts. That means we have shared responsibility. Management must provide safe working conditions, but we must also work safely and avoid exposure to hazards. When we investigate an accident, we look at both sides: conditions and unsafe practices. A worker may even ask, why didn't someone warn me before unsafe practices caused my injury? That is exactly what accident investigation does. It warns us. It teaches us. It helps us learn the right way to do the job. The only goal of accident investigation is to answer two questions: why did it happen? And how did it happen? With that knowledge, we can prevent the next accident. And remember this: in accident prevention, there are no guilty parties. There are only causes and solutions.